Warning, listening to this podcast may result in chronic ambition and some wins. What's up, winners? Welcome back to another episode of Stay Winning Podcast. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so happy that you're here. Today's episode is for all the small business owners out there that are working from home. This episode is dedicated to you. I hope you find this helpful. It is tax season. It's not fun. So maybe this can provide you a little more peace of mind. So here are 5 tax write-offs for you. If you have a dedicated space in your home used exclusively for business, you may be able to claim a portion of your home expenses, such as your rent or your insurance, as a tax write-off. Number 2, supplies and equipment. Any supplies or equipment used exclusively for your business, such as office furniture, computers, printer, even software or subscriptions, all those can be written off as a business expense. Number 3, internet and phone expenses. If you use the internet and phone exclusively for your business, you may be able to claim a portion of those expenses as a tax write-off. Number 4, business-related travel. And this one is my favorite. If you travel for business purposes, such as attending conferences, creating content, vlogging, visiting clients, you may be able to claim expenses such as transportation, meals, and lodging. Number 5, continuing education. So if you attend conferences or workshops for networking or training events to improve your skills and your knowledge related to your business, you may be able to claim the expenses as a tax write-off. An example of that is if you're a finance content creator and you attend FinCon in New Orleans this year, for example, you may be able to write off some of those expenses. All right, so keep accurate records of all your expenses related to your business to ensure that you can claim it on your tax return. This is not financial advice. Be sure to consult a tax professional. That way you don't have the IRS coming down and asking you questions. Just wanted you to have this in mind. If you want more information, ask your tax consultant, please. But I hope you do find this information helpful. And hopefully this can save you a little money. Winners, thank you for the support. I appreciate you tuning in. Stay winning. This show is intended for educational